Okay, this is part 3, and this is very similar to part 1, where I am not going to use any pulse width modulation, but I have added an enable pin. So I've connected the enable pin to pin 3, in 1 is connected to pin 4, and N2 is connected to pin 5 on the Arduino. So what the enable pin does is it will have a high signal on it, which basically tells it that it's okay to enable the motor and spin the motor. These two pins will be the direction control, and again, one pin will be high, one pin will be low, and that will cause it to go in one direction or the other direction. So you can see it's going pretty fast. It's because there's no pulse width modulation to control the speed. I'm using the enable pins to actually stop the motor in this particular sketch. So I tell the enable pin to go low, and it will actually stop the motor. Now, what happens, the motor just stops if I remove the enable pin. And later on, that's where the switch comes in to play. I will actually show how to do this with a switch. So I could pull it out, I could put it back. So this is part 3, direction control using the enable pins. Now, for me, the enable pin I believe should be used as like a safety or a cutoff kind of deal, but there's various things we can do with the enable pin. And the next one I will show, we're actually going to put pulse width modulation on the enable pin.